Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech World. Here you will know how to tag wild metrics using Python programming language. The world major metrics such as current population, birth this year, what today, death this year, death today, net population growth, like many more details you will get using Python here. Actually, Python is a very feature-rich language. We can say Python, the king of programming language, which is rich with modules. So here in this tutorial, I will use Worldometer Python modules that collect data from worldometer.info and provided data, world data. So now let's start code to get world metrics. So first we will create our Python file. So here app.py, we have created our file. Now as we are using Python worldometer module. So first we will import our module. So worldometer from from worldometer import worldmeter. So guys, remember, if you haven't install worldometer module, so you need to install using pip install worldometer. So now we have imported worldometer modules in our Python script. Now we'll create object. Now we have object world from worldometer. We have created our object. Guys, actually, we are here using master module and we have get object of worldometer. Now we'll check what worldometer module contains. Actually, it is a very big module, have many features, have many metrics data of world. So here, first we will check what it contains. So it's like we have a variable defined details. Now we will call a method world dot what is here. This method what is here from worldometer contains details regarding what worldometer contains. So now we will print this. We will print details variable. Now we'll run our script to see the output. Now our program is executing. It is running and we'll get details of what worldometer have details. So we'll wait for output is executing and we have yes, now we have output. You can see here the worldometer contains 8 categories, means the matrix from 8 category levels means 63 levels and matrix 63 matrix. So now we have details regarding this. So we can see the details of categories, details of levels, and details of matrix. So now first we will see the details of categories. So now we comment this output print here, and now we'll see the details of categories. So now we have variable categories, and using world object, we will see the categories. Now we will print categories and run our program. So it's executing, our script is executing, and will give output. So it will list the categories that this class exists. So here is the list of categories. Here is output like world population, government and economic, society and media, environment. So the very interesting category like health, energy, water. So whatever category we want, matrix we can easily get. So now we have details of categories, matrix categories. Now we'll see the how many levels are there. So we'll get the levels detail. So now we will get the level detail. So matrix level. Now, like we have variable levels, world using world objects, matrix level. Here is functions. So this will get. Now we'll print levels, and it will give the details of matrix level. Now our program again executing. So here is the details of. Uh, Here's a list of levels from all category like current world population, what this year, what today, all details, very interesting details are here. So now we have seen what is here means details of worldometer, world matrix categories, how we'll get the data from different categories and matrix level, different matrix from categories. Now we'll finally go to the exact function to get the matrix with levels means the world matrix data. So we will have matrix, we have variable matrix using here is our world object, and now we'll get matrix with levels. Here is function. Now we have matrix with level means we have all matrix world matrix data with this level. So now we'll print matrix like print matrix, and we'll see the output. Our program is executing. Now we will have all data, all world matrix data with levels. So it's executing. We'll see the result, the output. Here is the output. Like the here is level current. I we have called function matrix with level. So here is current world population level with data. What this year? Very interesting data. Very interesting. So like if we want current world population, so just need this level. We can comment this, and now print our have matrix dot, because we are getting list data, so we'll use get method and level means property, and so here we will get like we can give some text like get current population, current world population, and now we will run our program. So our Perl program is executing to get the current world population. It's executing, getting data. So now it's run. It's give output. So actually, it's not more readable. We can provide some new line character. So here we are giving some new line character to make output more readable. So we are running our program again. We'll see the output, the current world population. Our program is executing, waiting for the output. And its output is here. Current world population is this. So it's very interesting. We have get the world population data here. We can get any other details like what this year, like we want to get the what this year, like we have copied this, like get what underscore this underscore year, but this year in the world. We can run the program again. Our script is running, waiting for output, and here is output. Actually, is return some error. We can we have some level spelling issue. Now we run our script again. It was this year. Our script is running, waiting for the output, and yet the output here. Current world population is this, and was this year in the world this. So it's very interesting data, guys. I You can get any information regarding wild matrix, data. You simply need to use matrix with label. You can print all matrix with labels, and you can get specific matrix using matrix dot get and just pass the label name. Like any details you can get using this. So, guys, it's a very interesting feature, very interesting functionality. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So, don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe this wire to get new videos. Bye bye.